At Jaguar Land Rover Edmonton, you'll discover distinction and attention to detail in every aspect of our iconic brand. It's a commitment that carries through to our award-winning concierge-style service. Scheduling an appointment is simple and can be booked with a text message, call or email, whilst our branded service loaners ensure you'll never compromise on luxury. Your time is important and our valet service saves you the trip. We will collect your vehicle for maintenance and leave you with a branded car or SUV. Distinction is most certainly in the details, and your vehicle isn't ready until it's been cleaned inside and out.
Hello, Ms. Thompson. Your vehicle is ready for pickup.
Elevate your experience at Jaguar Land Rover Edmonton.